In this video, I will show you how to deposit money in Trading 212. To do this, open up the Trading 212 app or website and go and click on the Pi section in the bottom. And from there, click on the blue plus button in the top right. There you can select a payment method that you want to use to deposit money. For example, I'll use Ideal. And then choose how much you want to deposit. For this example, I'll just do 10 euros, so you can also just type it right here. And then click next. Then here in my case I need to choose my bank, but if you select a card, for example, you will need to enter your card details. So now just gonna pay for it. And then after doing that, you will see deposit successful. Now click done. And now you can see I have 10 euros in cash right here. So that's how to deposit money in Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.